Have you ever wondered how air, water, and oil move through an automated system? I'm here at the Staubli booth at Automate 2026 to explore the technology that makes those fluid connections safe and reliable.
Staubli develops fluid connection solutions for applications where leaks, pressure loss, or connection failures can have serious consequences. These technologies are used across industrial automation, motorsport, aerospace, data centers, and other demanding environments. Their clean break technology helps minimize fluid loss and reduce the amount of air entering the circuit during connection and disconnection. The internal design also supports high flow rates with reduced pressure loss, helping systems operate more efficiently. These connectors are designed for repeated use in demanding conditions, while quick-release designs make maintenance and components replacements faster and easier.
Because in critical applications, every connection matters.